Guys, today we have a very awesome video to break down. So starting off right away, shout out to Mr. Mobile, Michael Fisher for posting this. This was a teardown and exclusive look. Now I'm not going to be playing this video, I'm going to be going through this video like little screenshots. But I recommend checking out his full video. It's an amazing OnePlus teardown. He looks at it, really breaks it down, and it's a really great overall video. Now, with that being said, what I want to look at today is stuff that we really care about on this channel. And when it comes to any foldable phone, keep in mind that this foldable phone right here, the OnePlus Open, is a third generational phone. I know it's weird to say this, but it's not like the Google Pixel Fold, where the Google Pixel Fold is brand new. And this is, Google's first attempt of creating a cell phone, foldable cell phone, which I think they did an amazing job. Don't get me wrong. But this is a rebranded Find N Fold 3. That's what this is. So it's the third generation Oppo's phone that is rebranded to a OnePlus Open. So this is a phone that has been through everything. It has been through the test, has added features through 3 generations, 3 years of updates. And this is a phone that has been perfected. I mean, OnePlus has come out pretty much and said already that this is the best foldable phone on the planet. This is the best of the best. And I'll be honest with you, I don't disagree with that. I really don't. There's a reason why everyone's excited for this phone. Not only because it's another foldable phone going to an international market, including the United States, that we can actually pick up, but it's also for the fact that this phone right here is that good. It is that amazing. Right now, obviously, the big phones on the market, like I said before, is right here. Google Pixel Fold and the Z Fold 5. But this phone right here is that next level phone. So let's start off right away by talking about the crease, because this is something I feel like we all talk about, but you can see right here with the crease on the Z Fold 5. And yes, it's very noticeable. It's there. The Google Pixel Fold, you can see the crease. It's there. It's noticeable. But how about the OnePlus Open? Because again, like I said, the thing about Oppo is they have been always known for making the crease as little as possible. At the end of the day, you're not going to be able to get rid of the crease completely. If you want this, you're not going to be able to get rid of the crease. It's just how it works, right? But they've always been good at making it as minimalistic as possible. And right here, you can see from a shot of it just being like this, it's pretty much open just like this right now. It looks very, very good. It does not look bad in any way possible. I mean, yes, you can see it right here, but it's really almost as minimalistic as you can get it. And I mean, if you want to do a direct comparison with, the Z Fold device here, you can see, I know it's kind of weird how it's all oriented, but I mean, it's not bad at all. And then again, compared to the Google Pixel Fold, which I believe it has a very, very good crease. Okay, so I think it's like that. See? I mean, it's not bad at all. It actually looks better, in my opinion, on the OnePlus Open here than it does on these two devices, which is exactly what we expect from Oppo, right? We expect them to really give us that kind of, more detailed and less of a problems than other foldable phones on the market. Now, right here, when he has it fully open, and what's actually awesome about this is it's kind of like the the Z Fold 5 when it's fully open. What I mean by that is, let me open up Z Fold 5. You see this? You see how it's straight and it's 180? No problem at all. Google Pixel Fold, it's not the case. Google Pixel Fold is not 180. It's like 160, 172, whatever, when it's fully open. This looks like when it's fully open, it is straight tablet, straight line across, which is awesome. But we can see right here, the crease, it's definitely noticeable. I mean, again, this is a bad angle, obviously, but that's the point. You're not going to look at your phone every single second in the best angle possible, right? This is not how logic works. So right here, when you're looking at it like this, yes, it definitely is there. It's noticeable. But it's, again, like I said, very minimalistic compared to other creases we have seen on other phones, right? On other foldable phones. I mean, you know, we're talking about right now, again, the Z Fold devices and the Google Pixel devices, which are very platinum phones. There's a lot of crappy foldable phones out there. So right here, this is actually exactly where the crease is. You can see the white line here. Let me skip forward here. And again, like I said, is it noticeable? Yes. Is it there? Yes. It's really not that bad, though. It's really, really not that bad. So after the crease, what else can we talk about? Well, first off, they do have a vibrate switch / slider that is on a lot of OnePlus phones already, and I freaking love it. So obviously, yes, on these phones, we don't have a vibrator switch, but if you own an iPhone, or if you've seen an iPhone, you probably have seen an iPhone, you know this switch right here? Bam, bam, flipped up and down. On the iPhone 15s, they actually have the action button, which you can program it to be whatever you want. Well, they had the same concept on the OnePlus phones. We actually saw it in Unbox Therapy's video of breaking down the phone. But pretty much, it's just a little, it slides up, it slides down, and you can do different options with it, which is actually really freaking dope. And again, like I said, more things that make this phone, you know, that much more unique. And I gotta give credit where credit's due here. You know, Oppo does a very good job of, you know, creating this phone and creating all their phones. Obviously, yes, Oppo, but also OnePlus. But again, this is just rebranded, so I can't give OnePlus too much credit. I'm sure they did add maybe one. They might have had a say. There's a sister company, okay? They're a sister company. They definitely had say in this product, at least a little bit. But it really is just mainly Oppo here that has all the say. And Oppo does a great job. If we're being honest here, Oppo does an amazing job of going ahead and, you know, showing off this phone and really making the best product possible. So I can't wait till this goes international. Again, we're waiting for this phone to come out. It's supposed to come out at the end of August. Then there was rumors in September, now October. We're just waiting here. We're just sitting here waiting for this phone to be released because I want to pick it up. The second it goes out, I'm picking it up and I'm going to show it off on the channel, guys. And we're going to look at the next foldable phone in the foldable phone lineup for, you know, this market right now. And I'll be honest with you, this might be the best foldable phone out there. I have always wanted to pick up an Oppo phone. I have tried them before. I played with them before. They're amazing. I've always wanted to pick one up for myself, though, and use it. But it's just so hard to get it all the way from China. And then, again, it has bloatware on it, and it's a whole process of, you know, installing Google Play Store. And also, they're always way too expensive. Like, they come out at $1,300. Resellers put them up for, like, $2,100. Like, they're way too crazy price tag-wise. But we'll have to wait and see what ends up happening. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.